Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I have set up for Friendsgiving this year. We do this every year and it's always a ton of fun. It's just a time for friends to get together and share some really good food and laughter and drinks, and so we always look forward to this and I love setting up for this. But this setup could be for Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving. As always, I hope that you guys will enjoy this video, so let's get started. Alright, so most of these supplies that I'm using for today's dinner setup all came from Target, and here is the first product that I got. This is a 48 count rose gold plastic silverware set. This gives the look of something like really nice and high end and very festive, but it makes cleanup a breeze because of course these can be thrown out once dinner is over. These seem to be really good quality and they were $5 at Target. Next up, I have these paper plates, again from Target. Again, they make cleanup so much easier, so I got 4 packs of these. They were $2 for a pack of 8, which I thought was a really good deal, especially since they are oval and really cute and festive looking. And then for the center of the tables, I'm going to be reusing a bunch of my eucalyptus stems. Most of these I got from Michael's, and then these like lighter colored stems I purchased from the Target dollar section. I think that using a variety of colors just makes faux greenery look a little bit more real and natural. And you guys know I love being able to reuse home decor. And then I'm also going to be reusing this 3 set of glass bottles. I believe I found these at Michael's a few years ago. Next up, I found these really adorable little appetizer plates from the Target dollar section. You get 2 of them for $3. And this first set I found in a really beautiful pale green color. And then here's the second set that I have. It's more of a like darker, deeper evergreen color. Both colors I think are absolutely gorgeous. But I just thought that these plates were so cute. I loved the size of them, and I also thought that the price was really fair. And then for the same purpose, I purchased this similar option, and technically these are little wooden leaf ornaments that I found from the Target dollar section. These were $1 each, so they were a bit of a less expensive option than the little ceramic set of 2 plates, but I thought that these were just as cute. And of course, I loved the rustic aspect that these leaves tied into the whole tablescape. Moving right along, I purchased these little tiny ceramic orange pumpkins, again from the Target dollar section, and the purpose of these are to just add a cute little piece of decor to each place setting. They are a beautiful pale orange, and the pop of gold with the stem just makes them so darling. And then I also picked up a variety of different colors and different sizes, again from the Target dollar section. I picked up 3 pale green ones, a white one, and then 3 shorter, chunkier gray pumpkins. Again, I love the gold stems on all of these. And I really wanted to tie this color palette in because I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I also wanted to pull more of a modern looking fall tablescape, while also sticking to the traditional colors as the main focus. And then for the heart of the centerpiece, I'm going to be using 3 strands of this fall floral garland. I love the bold colors, and it is going to add so much texture and warmth to the table. Of course, instead of using garland, you can also use table runners or candles, or even pumpkins would be a really fun idea, I think. Just something that's festive and that's going to catch your guests' eyes, and of course going to look really nice and beautiful in photos. Next up, I purchased these rectangular plastic table covers from the dollar store. I wasn't quite sure which color I wanted to use, the gold or the white, but I love tablecloths from the dollar store just because they're so budget friendly. And they have tons of colors to choose from. I'm going to be reusing my set of mason jars. I pretty much pull these out for any get-together or event. They can be styled super cute. They look great in photos, and they're just super trendy. I use the 16-ounce size. They just seem to be the perfect size for things like this. And then lastly, I'm going to be using these metallic gold paper straws. I found these at Michael's. They look so cute in the mason jars, and I think that the color is going to just tie perfectly with the whole fall Thanksgiving theme. Alright, so now that you guys know where everything came from and what I'm going to be using, we can now get started on setting up. I am using my set of 3 different colored ceramic pumpkins to just sporadically spread throughout the table and the centerpiece. And I'm very interested, which leaf combo is your favorite? The dark green, the pale green, or the wooden? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. So that about does it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration and some ideas on how you may decorate for your Friendsgiving or your Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. If you would like to see the Tablescape for Christmas and New Year's Eve, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would be happy to film that whole process for you guys as well. Thank you guys again, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care.